Alright, John, here is another one of your 150th scale fire trucks apparatus. This is it says tower platform on it. I was going to go with just a platform. Obviously, it's not a rear mount since it's mounted in the center of the truck, so I don't know the correct terminology for this one. I'm sure in the comments below, it won't take long to somebody, hey, stupid, it's a this or that. So anyway, feel free to leave the comments. I don't care. Maybe I'll learn something. Pretty cool truck. Once again, this is a Corgi model, or some people probably say Corgi. So anyway, we'll leave it at that. And that's, I'm pretty sure it's Corgi, just like the dog. Little outrigger still drop, which obviously we see that. These here operate as well. They lower a little bit, so I don't think they'll actually hold the truck up. They do have a little notch where they'll catch, for those of you that don't know. But anyway, click. Again, pretty detailed vehicle. I looked at them on eBay since the last time video I did, and actually these can be picked up for in the $30 and $40 range, so not too bad for a 50th scale fire truck. Definitely cheaper than the, I mean, heck, a lot of the 64th scale Code 3 trucks. But anyway, ladder raises, lowers, extends, spins, does everything that it probably should do in real life, except cost a lot of money. I'm hoping you have the mirrors of this, John, because I do not. So I don't know. Hopefully you have those. This is decaled, almost FDNY type graphics. Very similar to it. I guess it's Mahanoy City, Pennsylvania. I think it come up, Pennsylvania. I had to look it up because I had never heard of it. Actually, I thought it was in a D, so I was saying Mahandy at first, and I was like, that doesn't even sound right in more ways than one. But anyway, Mahanoy, I don't know, whatever it is. Anyway, we're gonna leave it alone. It's a pretty cool truck though. Again, this one's wired externally, so you can hook it to your train layout. It will operate, I think you told me you can run 15 volts AC. It'll operate up to 15. Wouldn't get too crazy past 15. And it will operate as low as 9, as I'll show you here in just a minute. Probably want to pump a little bit more than 9 to it to get some brightness out of it. Added a couple extra lights on this one for you. We'll see those here in a second. Put these up here, see if they'll stay put away. See if I can do this. This is always the fun part. Again, this does have a rectifier in it, so it doesn't matter. Obviously, I don't have the wires marked since it's going to AC, so they can be hooked either direction. If you decide to go with DC, it wouldn't matter which way you hook the battery. Again, the lights will be quite a bit brighter on your layout. As you can see, you got your white flashing headlights. Red strobes above those. And the reason they look kind of weird, I don't know if you can really tell, but anyway, those outriggers kind of, actually these aren't outriggers, I don't know what you call these parts, anyway, but these platforms, they actually stick up just a little bit past the light. So that's why they kind of look weird flashing. It's actually reflecting off part of that column from that stabilizer. Of course, red rooftop strobes. Raise these up just a little bit here, and you'll be able to see this a little bit better maybe. A little battery indicator come on my phone, couldn't see. Have flashing yellows underneath there on the rear bumper, and then of course red strobes like I put on your other ones. Red strobes under, you just straighten that one up a little bit, under the platform. So like I said, once again, you wanted it lighted so you could tell that it was obviously a fire truck on scene, but not to wash out your fire scene that's on your layout. So that's kind of what we were shooting for here. I didn't use any strobes down the side. This other one I'm doing for you, I may put some strobes on it. It's a pretty good looking truck too, but anyway, I may put some side strobes on it. Anyway, there you have it. Just want to get the video up for you so you can take a look at it and see that it was complete. Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate it.